Mangroves are shrubs or trees that grows in coastal saline or brackish water. The term is also used for tropical coastal vegetation consisting of such species. Mangroves are taxonomically diverse as a result of convergent evolution in several plant families. Mangroves are salt-tolerant trees, also called halophytes, and are adapted to live in harsh coastal conditions. Mangroves contain a complex salt filtration system and a complex root system to cope with saltwater immersion and wave action. Karnataka coast has one of the most important protected mangrove forests at Honnavara, where more than 32 varieties of mangroves like Sonneratia caseolaris, Rhizophora apiculata, Sonneratia alba, Avicennia officinalis, and many other important species of mangroves are grown profusely and added unique aquatic scape. This mangrove forest is protected by Department of Forest, Government of Karnataka. 5 important rivers of Uttara Kannada are Kali, Gangavali, Agnashini, Sharavati and Venkatpur rivers that drains into Arabian Sea. All the mangroves at one place are neatly labelled and walk through catwalk for the tourists to enjoy the beauty of this mangrove forest. A team of aquatic ecologists and marine biologists visited the mangrove forest for a field experience and collected 40 to 50 glass bottles and plastic waste from the area, and also guided the tourists and local officials to restrict such acts of polluting nature. Dr. Shivkumar Magda, Dean College of Fisheries, explained the importance of mangroves in our ecosystem to the students. And also got down into the water to observe the juvenile fishes inhabiting the mangroves. Water and sediment samples were collected for further studies, and also leaves, seeds and roots of different mangroves were photographed for identification purpose. There is an interest in mangrove restoration for several reasons, like mangrove forests have thick, impenetrable roots and are vital to shoreline communities as natural buffers against storm surges, an increasing threat in changing global climate with rising sea levels. Mangroves' dense root systems inhibit the flow of tidal water and encourage the deposition of nutrient-rich sediments. But once lost, mangroves are very difficult to replant due to the shifts in very sediments the roots help keep in place. Mangroves support sustainable coastal and marine ecosystems. They protect nearby areas from tsunamis and extreme weather events. Mangrove forests are also effective at carbon sequestration and storage and mitigate climate change. As the effects of climate change become more severe, mangrove ecosystems are expected to help local ecosystems adapt and be more resilient to changes like extreme weather and sea level rise. Mangrove ecosystems are home to a myriad of species from marine life like fish, crab, shellfish, sea turtles to birds. The habitat serves as a nesting, breeding and nursing ground for the plethora of local wildlife. Millions of people rely on the mangroves for food, income and well-being particularly. The forest waters provide an abundance of fish for local fishermen to sell and maintain financial stability. To estimate, 80% of the global fish catch relies on mangrove forests either directly or indirectly through the support of terrestrial and marine food webs. Mangrove forests are an important asset to the mankind, thus it is very important to study and understand the ecological and biological aspects of these forests and plant mangroves along the coastal waters as much as possible.
How's the Josh? How's the Josh?